What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to a new camera comparison video. For today I have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro. Now this is not a fair comparison because the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus costs somewhere around $800 and the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro costs somewhere around $170. So this is definitely not a fair comparison. Now, I'm not trying to say that the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is better than the S9 Plus, but I'm trying to show you that you can still take very good looking pictures even if you have an affordable phone like the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro. So on the back of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus we have a 12 megapixel main camera. This camera has a variable aperture, so it can either be a f1.5 or a f2.4 depending how much light you have, and we also have optical image stabilization. On the back of the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro we have a 12 megapixel main camera, but this camera doesn't have optical image stabilization, we only have a f2.2. I want to start by showing you some portrait mode pictures that I took with both these devices. So first things first, the pictures were taken a couple of seconds apart and the phones were set on auto mode, so they did as good as they could possibly do by themselves. Now you're gonna notice that the edge detection for the pictures taken by the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is just as good as the edge detection for the pictures taken by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so really not much of a difference there. Some pictures are sharper from the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro and some pictures are sharper from the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I can't really say that one phone is so much better than the other one. So for portrait mode pictures they are very equal. Moving on to regular looking pictures, so pictures taken with the main cameras on the back of these two phones. So first things first, both phones are set on auto mode and the HDR was also set on auto mode. So you're gonna notice that some pictures taken by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus are a bit overexposed, but that's not something new and we've seen that many times in the past. Some pictures taken by the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro have the highlights overblown a bit and you can't exactly see the sky anymore in some of the pictures, where for the pictures taken by the S9 Plus you can actually see the sky and the color of the sky. Aside from that, most pictures seem to be a bit sharper from the S9 Plus and the dynamic range seems to be a bit better for the S9 Plus as well. But I'm gonna let you guys watch so you can see what I'm talking about. And as you've seen for yourself, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro does a really good job, mostly considering the price of the phone, which is around $170. So for daytime pictures, this phone takes really good looking pictures as well. Now for nighttime pictures I can't say the same. Most pictures taken by the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro are very blurry, very grainy, and you can't exactly use them for anything. But let's check out some nighttime pictures. And as you've seen for yourself, for low light pictures there is no comparison in between these two phones, and you can definitely tell that this is the more expensive phone in between the two. Now for video recording, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus can record in 4K at 30 frames per second, where this one can only record in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So I'm gonna show you a quick clip recorded in 1080p at 30 frames per second with both devices, so you can see how the image stabilization works and how the video looks like. We have a quick video test between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro. So I'm currently recording in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and at this resolution both devices have image stabilization. However, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro only has electronic image stabilization, where with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus we also have optical image stabilization. So if it would be to record a video in 1080p, this is how the video would look from both these devices. And as you've seen for yourself, for video recordings, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus does a better job, but that was to be expected. Moving on to selfies. Now the selfies don't look that exceptional from either device, but I feel that the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus does a somewhat better job for some selfies. So next we are gonna check out some selfies that I took during the day and during the night with both these devices. So there you have it. For daytime pictures and portrait mode pictures, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro does a really good job, but for nighttime pictures it doesn't do that great. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.